So, hopefully be free soloing the south arete of Matterhorn, known as training day. The rain's coming. After rappel down, I want to cruise up with my harness on and my rope in my bag. So if I got to come down fast, I can. Fast enough, you know. I've never been up this route. I don't know how much of a scramble it is. It's a 5.4R, so do not fall. But I shouldn't fall on a 5.4. I hope not. I think it might have like one little crux or something, or the bottom doesn't look very protectable, and then there's a tree and it doesn't look the best to protect with. I'm sure that's probably why I got a 5.4. I'll be climbing with my backpack on and the rope in my bag, like I said. So I think we're gonna go up there and then cut over to the tree and then straight up the arete. Let's see how it goes. I feel great. My only concern right now is the rain, but I feel like it's always raining when we climb this, or it's always about to rain. Oops. That's the least resistance, right? Gotta keep it at 5.4. Which I don't know exactly what that means at this point in life. It is keeping it at 5.4, you know? Oh, thunder's getting close. Thunder's really close. This is gonna be quite the adventure. I guess this could all be protected. There's a tree. Shit. Is the rain here? There's my tree I need. Let's see, right? Typically, only took me 12 minutes to solo the other side. And this, comparatively, seems like a jug haul. Just gotta make it there to that tree. I can do that. Huh. I wanted to fucking rehearse this before I did it, but the weather didn't allow it. But somehow the weather allowed me to do this. Which is really rad. Whew. Fuck yeah. There's the rain. Fuck. It's just free soloed training day on Matterhorn. Oh, that was fun shit. Nice little scramble. I guess never doing it before added some excitement for sure. So I'll post a video. But it was fucking rad. And there's the rain. I'm literally getting rained on right now. I'm headed down. I gotta wrap down. Whew. Fuck yeah. Alright. Anchors are there. There's the rain. Where's my rope? Luckily, I think I put my rope up nice and neat last time. So rad. Good free solo. There's my rope bag, my backpack. Fuck. It's so close. Look, anybody from before. Clip it into the quick link this time. There's that foot. I'll weight my system. Dope. I'm going to now run it through the wrap rings. No reason to get to the middle point if it's already hitting. Ah, perfect. Again, there's a lot of shit I'm doing right now that's not necessarily right. Like, not using my Persic. I should be using my Persic right now, right? But if you hear the thunder and lightning, look. I'm on it. Let me weight that system. That's down. I am bullying or filling out. Fuck. It's close. So close. I can like literally hear the fucking rain falling. I don't even know if I have time to change my shoes. 'Cause I got a feeling I'm gonna get some rainy blues. That's so right. I have to bring confident friends on that. Let them go their own way, whatever they feel they're more comfortable. But fucking shit, I'm better on rock. Pine needles and TC Pros do not mix at all from down here. Super glad came and did this today. See the rain on my bag. Change shoes really fast. Hurry the fuck up. So I will say that the 5.4R, if I did it correctly, was easier than the 5.4. That being said, it makes me wonder if I did it right or wrong, because that's crazy. Or maybe I'm just so comfortable at 5.4 free solo now that it wasn't shit. Maybe the fear had dissipated. Fuck, I'm thirsty. I haven't drank water since I got out here. I don't know if I have time. Never have time for nothing. Nothing ever. Woke up late. I got time for a blunt on the walk home though. Not walk home, walk to the car. I might get rained on. So open my blunt. So cool. My fear now is weather related, not getting struck by lightning. My fear of the climb is over. I hear it. The rain is coming. Whew. Water and then I'm out. Gotta drink some fucking water. Time's on that lemon. Covered in sweat. Let's get the fuck out of here. All right. Ah! Off to the car we go. I took the long way around getting here. And so I'm gonna take the easy way down going back. So the standard route goes up this chimney and goes around to the face, then up through there, then up a pitch of chicken heads. There's a slabby spot that makes it way harder than the other one. I think the one I just did is more exposed than anything. Fucking bugs. It was fun. I've looked at that arete for a long time. I wanted to go up it. Never knew it'd be so easy. That would have definitely been my first big free solo over the other one. It is less protectable, so I guess that's why it gets the R, I think. As far as free solo goes. I mean, there's a whole bolt on the other route. I'll free solo that next time. Again, maybe I might do both. I'll free solo up one way. I'll free solo up training day to set up the rope, leave the rope and all that shit at the top. Or, yeah, and then go down and do the other side and then collect my rope. About 30 minutes of free soloing. I don't know, I have to see how long that route took me. I'm gonna say that one took about 10 minutes, if that. Because why not, we still got time, right? So I'm gonna show y'all. Whew. So, I don't know what this equates to, but I went up right through there, cut over where that dead tree is, and went up and up and over. Good times. I wouldn't mind doing that traverse one day across. Maybe go up training day, do the traverse, end up on standard route and finish on standard. It could be fun. I don't know if y'all hear that. That's definitely the wind ripping. Need to get the fuck out of here. I'm about to get poured on heavy. Fuck yeah. Just made it in time. I'm sure it's about to start storming pretty good up here. That was an adventure. Just like one foot in front of the other. Thanks for watching. If you've watched all this, I appreciate it. If you don't mind subscribing, give the video a like, comment your favorite part, or comment if you think I should tie the two together next time, or how I should do whatever. But I'll definitely be back and free solo the standard route, the other 5-4 on the rock, which, like I said, I feel like is a lot harder. You can kind of see it there. So y'all have a good day. Talk to y'all later.